My name is Alan Hensley. I work for Spectra Gutter Systems based in Atlanta, Georgia. We're the largest manufacturer of what they call gutter rainwear. We manufacture from the raw material that comes in, and then we have our branches around the country and we retail it out from there. Our manufacturing has grown and we are now into importing. And so that's allowing us to use Averitt for importing. They also have the fulfillment centers where we can store stuff or have it transloaded.
Alan contacted me and wanted to know if we could be of assistance. We were able to create a solution where Averitt will dray the containers when they come in to either our distribution and fulfillment centers to transload or directly to Spectra Gutters.
Back in 2017, we started out using Averitt to do some of our truckload logistics to our different branches. And over time, we integrated the LTL system as well into a 3PL system we already have. They're able to help us get our new product we're having made overseas into the port and then to get it to our facility in Atlanta. I don't have to worry about having different people to pick it up at the port and different people to get it to us. It's just one place, one stop, and they handle it from there.
Our technology will give them complete visibility of their product from the time that it ships to the time it arrives to their door.
You know, we want it looking pristine when it gets there. The box is not crumpled and tore up. That says a lot as well. So they transport that when it leaves our facility in that condition and it gets to the customer in that condition. Our goals for the future for Spectra Gutter Systems is to be in all the states across the country. We have a 5-year goal to be a $1 billion a year company. And we're going to need lots of transportation and going to need a great partnership like we have with Averitt. This allows us not to have to slow down, but we can keep it going to where we have facilities to store it in the fulfillment centers that are out near our branches, and then we can propagate it out from there and it goes across the country. So they'll be a big part of helping us to grow.
I think we can help them put their product in different locations to beta test on areas they want to grow in without making a full commitment of staff and resources.
That is a great enhancement and a great partnership because as we grow, we don't have to necessarily put on drivers and trucks right away to be able to do that. We can use their system and their dedicated drivers to be able to do that. There's that power of one to help us to grow.
Well, the reason why we're calling it Power of One is Spectra Gutter Systems are using our truckload, our LTL, and our integrated to provide solutions for them. We are also expanding into distribution and fulfillment as well as possibilities of dedicated that will help them grow closer to that $1 billion goal.
It's the power of one company being able to meet all of my logistic needs. The deal about Power One is I always like to come back to the relationship.
Averitt believes in taking care of the relationship and the person, not just the business.
Whatever my problem is, they are a solution to help us to solve it. And they will go to whatever extreme it needs to be to make it, whether it's making room in a warehouse, it doesn't matter. I want a partner that's like that, and Averitt fulfills that for us.